In this video, we're going to review our absolute favorite pot for making one-pot meals and so much more. Obviously, it's a Dutch oven, and you can see it's from my favorite enamel cast iron set, which is made by Lodge. Now, Lodge is a very old company. These, as of today, are not made in the US. They're made in China, but I've had these for over a year, and their quality control is excellent. I've had no problems with them. This is a very affordable alternative to some of the really super expensive brands, and you know which ones I'm talking about. So let's talk about how they come. They come securely packaged. I don't have the unboxing today, but I do want to talk about saving these spacers. These spacers are great for just an extra care around the edge and with the lid. As far as the pot itself goes, like I said, it's 6 quarts. It goes into the oven up to 500 degrees. And if you want a pot that's really a workhorse, especially in the cooler months, the colder months when maybe you're making a lot of soups or pasta one-pot meals, whatever the case may be, this is the pot for you. You won't need anything else. Again, it's Lodge, so you know the brand, you know the quality control, and it really, I've used this in the fall and the winter months. I'm not kidding. I use this at least 4 times a week. I make a lot of soups, a lot of stews, a lot of one-pot meals, and this is my go-to pot for all those delicious colder weather treats. If you want to see this pot in action, check out the link in the description below to our ultimate Italian sausage penne.